So here is the app Music X or Music X Pro. So there are different types of players. Right now there is this Music X Simple Music Stream. It's kind of alternative to Musi. It's high in the charts in, as you can see, in music category. Music X. So this is just what you're getting. You know, basically Musi app was removed, and now there are a lot of alternatives. So you can just have it like that. You can listen to songs. Music X lets you bookmark and organize your favorite music videos, podcasts, build playlists, share with friends, and more. Music X can also stream onto AirPlay. It's free. So here you can just see the idea. And then, yeah, you can just open it up. And then you can just start it. And then, yeah, that's the idea. So you can connect with your YouTube music, log in. You can explore different genres. There is home. There are some podcasts. I guess for a lot of stuff to use it, you need basically to log in with your YouTube account, as I understand, because this app is just a kind of a bookmarker for that. But, nice alternative to Musi, and that's what it is.